Are you tired of spending a fortune on hair products that just don't deliver? Well, get ready to raid your kitchen because the secret to gorgeous, thick hair might be hiding right under your nose. Yep, we're talking simple homemade remedies that can transform your locks without breaking the bank. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into these fantastic hair hacks, do me a favor. If you're ready for serious hair envy, smash that like button and subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss our future videos packed with beauty tips and tricks. Today I'm sharing 5 homemade remedies for thicker, healthier hair. Get ready to say hello to those luscious locks you've always dreamed of. First, let's talk about hair basics. Did you know your hair grows in a 4-phase cycle? We've got the anagen, growth, catagen, regression, telogen, rest, and exogen, shedding. Your scalp has about 100,000 hair follicles, and losing about 100 hairs every day is normal. So don't panic, it's all part of the process. All right, let's dive into our first homemade remedy, rosemary oil. This little miracle worker is like a natural Rogaine. In fact, a study in 2015 showed that rosemary oil works just as well as minoxidil in treating hair loss. How cool is that? Rosemary oil blocks DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss, and boosts blood flow to your scalp. More blood flow means more nutrients for your hair follicles. Mix a few drops with coconut or olive oil to use it. Massage it into your scalp, and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing. Next up, pumpkin seed oil. Yep, the same stuff you use for pumpkin pie can help your hair. Pumpkin seed oil is packed with phytostrols. This natural compound blocks DHT production that prevents hair growth. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that pumpkin seed oil worked as well as minoxidil for treating female pattern hair loss. You can apply it directly to your scalp or take it as a supplement. Either way, your hair will thank you. Moving on to our third remedy, peppermint oil. Peppermint oil isn't just for fresh breath, it's a secret weapon for your scalp. The menthol in peppermint oil opens up your blood vessels, letting more blood and oxygen get to your hair follicles. To use it, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or castor. Next, massage it in, and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Our fourth homemade remedy is aloe vera. This plant is packed with vitamins A, C, and E that promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. It also contains vitamin B12 and folic acid, which can prevent hair loss. To use it, apply it to your scalp and let it hang out for 30 minutes to an hour before washing it off. Last but not least, caffeine shampoo. Yep, you read that right. The same stuff that wakes you up in the morning can also wake up your hair follicles. Caffeine blocks the effects of DHT, a hormone that can shrink hair follicles and lead to hair loss. By doing so, hair follicles remain in the active growth or anagen phase longer. A 6-month study on men with hair loss found that 85% of those using caffeine shampoo were happy with the results. They reported less hair loss, stronger hair, and even slowed down baldness. So how can you make these remedies part of your hair care routine? It's simple. Start by picking 1 or 2 that sound good to you. Try the rosemary oil massage once a week or switch to a caffeine shampoo. Remember, consistency is key. Here are 5 extra tips to boost your hair health. First, eat a balanced diet. Your hair needs nutrients to grow. Second, stay hydrated. Water is your hair's best friend. Third, be gentle when brushing and styling. Treat your hair like silk. Fourth, get regular trims. It might seem counterintuitive, but it helps prevent split ends and breakage. Fifth, reduce stress. Easier said than done, I know, but stress can mess with your hair growth. Remember, while these remedies are natural, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before trying something new, especially if you have any scalp conditions or are using other hair loss treatments. To wrap it up, thicker, healthier hair is totally within reach. With these homemade remedies, you're giving your hair the TLC it deserves. From rosemary oil to caffeine shampoo, nature's got your back and your hair. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these remedies? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Until next time, stay gorgeous and keep growing that beautiful hair.